this right here, this right here is the all new Audi RS e-tron GT. It's quite a long name to say, quite a tongue twister, eh? But okay, today I'm going to show you around this very beautiful car. The first time I saw this car, I instantly fell in love with it. The performance, the looks of it. Oh, this thing demolished everything in every drag race I've ever seen of it. And the looks on this thing are really out of this world. Check how nice this looks. For starters, this is quicker than an R8. This is quicker than an Audi R8 V10 Performance Plus. Take those numbers into consideration, because an Audi R8 is really a quick car, but this is on another level. So okay, enough about the waffling and talking and all of that stuff. I'll talk you through the design features, the design elements of this car, what I like about it, and all of that stuff. So starting off with the front grille, you get the iconic Audi diamond shaped grille, but instead this time instead of them putting like actual vents in an electric car, you get this nice textured plaque right there. You get an Audi sign, of course, in black. This has the night package on, it's black on black with red seat belts. I'll show you that in a second. This looks absolutely stunning, if I'm being honest. Get these actual vents right here, get more right there. Everything is just mad on this car. And if you look down here, you get sensors like your camera, your 360 camera sensors, and your speed radar sensor. Because the new car has every feature, has everything you need. Get these nice lights which can do a very stunning dance, of course. If you know anything about the new Audis, new Mercedes, these guys like to play with their lights. That I don't really hate it, I like it. Absolutely love how this car looks. And honestly, if I had to choose between an R8 and this, just kidding, I'd choose an R8 any day. V10 power, baby. But then you get these nice rims right here, which look absolutely stunning and are, I think, 21 inches. Yeah, the 21 inches look really stunning. You have these plates right here, which I feel like I can rip off, so won't touch that. Get nice brakes. Let me go to the other side so I can show you it really in detail, of course. So you get carbon fiber on the mirrors and your charging port, of course, since electric car. Get more vents right here for aerodynamics. Like, this car is really thought through. Everything is really thought through. And this rim right here, I was trying to show you on the other side. Look how nice this thing looks absolutely stunning. Check this thing. And of course, since an RS e-tron GT, quite a long name, you get this like teardrop shape. Check. Absolutely like how this thing looks absolutely stunning. So now I'll talk you through the back and I'll show you everything about the rear of the car, and then you'll tell me if you like the car, what do you think of the car, and then, yeah, all of that. So let's head on to the rear end of the car and I'll show you around. Heading on to the rear end of the car, this car looks absolutely stunning. Check this out. RS e-tron GT. Get this very nice diffuser right here, which helps with aerodynamics. And as I've said recently, I like the look of the A7, and this takes it to a whole nother extent. Check out the rear lights. You have this nice divot right there. Everything is really thought through, and since it's out, you can trust the brand quality and build quality of the car. Get this nice spoiler that pops up right there. I don't know about rear window visibility, we'll have to talk about that in a moment. Then, and if you want to know the specs of this car, I'll pop them out at the end. Oh, check that Cayenne out. Oh, that thing looks sick. But then, now that I've spoken through everything, I've basically shown you everything on the outside of the RS, outside of the e-tron GT RS model, and of course the carbon mirrors, red stitching. So now we'll walk you to the inside of the car and I'll show you everything on the inside of the car. Tell me whether you'd like to get this car. As I've said earlier, Audi likes to play with their lights if you look down there. But then, moving on to the rear of the car, the door opens quite wide. Then you get RS plaque with carbon fiber everywhere. And of course, everything is just thought through so that when you enter into the car, you actually feel like you're in a sporty car, but still comfortable. You get this very nice digital driver's display right there, which I absolutely love the look of. Oh, and as it fades away, then I really like it. You get a nice digital driver's display right there. So I'm saying, you get this nice screen right here and it looks absolutely stunning. And the seating position of this car, I'm absolutely in love with. Get RS badges right there, a red start stop button right there, and then you get cup holders right here. Everything is just oh, and the black on black R8. Oh, and it sounds sick. I wish you could hear. But then you get really nice materials like carbon fiber up here, your controls down there, drive select, leather, very plushy leather. Absolutely like how this car looks, and I'm sure you do too. Like honestly, if you don't like this car, I don't know, man. Probably because it's electric, that's why you might not like it, but absolutely love it. Needs a sunroof though. Kinda tight in here. So before, let me show you. Oh, it's open. You have to click it down. I thought you had to pull it. Oh, get your nice small storage right there. A driving mode right here. Everything is super laid out in a super easy way to use. Get Alcantara headliners. Should watch those because the wrong fluids and wrong sources on it could lead to a very bad interior. But then you get nice plushy mats down there, and of course I'm gonna show you the seat of this car because it is really comfortable. The seat of this car is absolutely full Napa leather, RS badging up there. Oh, I wish you could feel how this nice thing feels. But then yeah, now I'll talk you through the infotainment of the car and I'll show you why I think this car is really nice looking. So moving on to the rear seat, of course it's going to be a tight rear seat since it's a coupe with a carbon fiber roof. That's why you couldn't get a sunroof because spec'd it out with the full carbon feature. And this is a really tight back seat. I'm going to try it, but first I'm going to talk you through it. You get this nice carbon fiber right there, your plushy mats, your plushy seats, same as the front, but these ones are not like your usual back seats. They are cubbied. Is that the word? I doubt. They are bolstered. Yes, they're bolstered. But then check. This is the ideal driving position I'd put it in. So let me show you. I'm not too tall, but then I've got enough space to survive. But visibility from the back is kinda bad. Visibility is kinda bad. But then it's not really that bad. I would sit in this because the ride would be absolutely epic and I'd absolutely enjoy it. So yeah. So yeah, now this is the rear seat. You get more cup holders right there, your climate controls right there. So this has dual zone climate, I think it is. Yes. So as I was saying, get red seat belts with red stitching, which go well together, super duper well. And this is really dark, but check the outside, really nice outside. And oh, I forgot that nice little detail right there. Says E-Tron, kind of hard to see, but then yes. So now I've taken you through the front, the back, and I think the only thing now we have to talk you through is the rear seat because this really this has to be one of my favorite cars out at the moment. So as we move on to the boot, it's automated, of course. Get your full-blown car cover, I think it is it? Yep. And it's your spare, and you get more storage down there and more cubbies right there, and get more nets right here, and you get more systems to protect your car paint when you drag out luggage, of course, right? But then this is all blanked out. Really nice car. Just close it like that. Oh, just like how that works. Just that simple. It looks absolutely stunning. And check out this nice Mustang right here with the body kit. Wow, that thing looks nice. But then either way, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like on the channel. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and tell me what are your thoughts on this E-Tron GT. A really quick car is my thoughts. And it's really comfortable for the speeds that it does, you know. I really like it. So yeah, make sure you also follow me on Instagram at Kantizist11, of course, to get the exclusives of what I'm filming next and what I'm doing. If I don't post on YouTube, I'm posting on Instagram. So yes, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. I've spoken all of that. So yeah, it was me, and yes, I'm out.